All right. So this is the real forex, right? So for you that are just getting started, you come to your browser, your Chrome, you type tradingview.com. So once you click tradingview.com, this is what you see. Then you click on super chat, whereby it brings you to this. So this is one. I mean, this is my own chat. This one analyze all this. So I told you guys that there are only two ways to hear forex. Can everybody hear me? If you are hearing me, if you are getting it, text on chat so I know we are on the same page. So let's do this very fast. So I told you guys that you can't hear me clearly. Oh, hold on. Let me. Okay, it should be better now, right? Is it better now? Text. So we are not, I know we're on the same page. So I told you guys that there are two ways to trade. There are two ways to trade, trade forex. So there are two ways to trade forex, right? So there are two ways to trade forex. So either you buy, either you buy, or you sell. So once you get this, okay, better now. You can hear me. Okay, it's better now. I think I have to silence my room. I need to turn into AC. Okay, so there are two ways to learn forex. Either I mean to trade rather. So either let me change the color so you can see my screen clearly. Uh, Okay, I hope you guys can see clearly now. Right? Change the color. Okay. So there are two ways to trade forex, right? Either you buy or you sell. So don't be surprised about my chart though. Once you join the mentorship class, all this you'll be able to everybody will be able to do their chart like this, and you have a watch. This is a watch list. So these are the market as a trade. You can see I separated everything. So these are forex. These are forex. You can see Euro, USD, USD. So other pairs. Although I do trade crypto and futures too. So as time goes on, you get to understand. So there are two ways to trade forex. Either you buy or you sell. So and what do you buy? What do you sell? When I said there are two ways to trade forex, either you buy or you sell. So you come to ask yourself what you buy, what you sell. So these are what you so if you want to buy for you to buy something, right? Okay, let's just bring it to a normal market, like a normal like you're a trader. This is not forex now. Let's say you're just a trader, like you buy and sell. So where do you buy? Where do you sell? Are you going to buy when the market is up to resell? No. You buy when the market is low. So for you to buy, right, you must see that the market is ready to go up. You must see that the market is ready to go up. This is when you buy. This is when you buy. This is when you buy. And when do you sell? You see the market is ready to come down. So in forex market going up is called a uptrend market. Sorry, uptrend market. So this is when you buy. So you can't be buying here and you will not make money. You will surely make money, right? And market coming down in forex market is called a downtrend market. Downtrend market. So I can say you forex is for everybody saying forex is that this. So what do you do on TradingView? You come here. So once market is going up, what do? You go to your MT5, then you place a trade, place buy. Then when market is coming down, you go to your MT5, you place sell. Very clear as that. So you note that down. Market going up, it's called uptrend market. It is coming down, it's called downtrend market. Understood. So if you're now asking me that why is it going like this? Why is it coming? Why is it not just straight? Why is it like this? Why is it like this? Like this? If you're asking me that why is it just not straight like this? That why can't it just go up like this? So I'll tell you the reason. So let's take it to I'm a okay, let's take it out of forex now. Like I'm a trader. Like I do buy and sell. What can I use? Let's say I do buy and sell. What has gone up? Okay, let's say I do buy and sell. Let's say a cement, right? A cement. So for me, if I want to buy a cement now, you can see it's low here, it's high here. So when do I buy a cement? A cement that I want to sell. When do I buy it? Am I going to buy it here? When is high? I think I don't know how much they're selling now though, because it's been a while. I don't know how much they're selling now, because it's been a while at the bus. I'm not a builder. So let's say cement is around 5,000 here, and here it has gone up to 15,000, right? So and I want to buy so I can resell to make profit. Am I going to buy here or here? Of course, I'm a businessman, so I buy at the low price, right? So I can sell here, right? Then cement is 15,000. Will I buy? No, because I want to make it profit, right? So I will wait for cement to come down again. So when cement now comes to 6,000 again, yeah. When cement fall to 6,000, what do? I, then I buy. I buy. So when cement go up again, right? When cement go up again, I will not buy because it's up. I won't be making any profit. So for you, so this is where. So let's now bring it back to uh, forex trading, right? When do you buy? So you buy when the price is down, not when it's up. It's just a common. I'm just bringing us to using the common sense here. I hope it's getting clearer. If it's getting clearer, um, type chat on yes. If it's getting clearer, all right. So this is just a. Although you learn more when you get into the mentorship class, this is just a clue, so you know what we are doing. So you can see what I just did here, right? So let's now bring it to my chart here. Let's bring it to my chart here. So so you can see where I mark, right? The same thing I just drew here, right? You can see it over here. So at first the market was very low, right? It was low. Do I buy here? Yes. When it went high, do I buy here? No, because I will lose money if I buy here because the market is already high, right? Then the market comes to low again, right? What do? I buy. And can you see I buy at low and what happened? Eventually went up. Guarantee. I make money. because I buy when it was low, went up, and I waited again for the price to fall again. What do I do? I buy. So let me even go to let me go to let me go to a lower, I think, yes, yes. So, oh, let me delete all this. Okay, let's just do practical because this just it's just like confusing. So the same thing for sell too. So I want to sell a market. I want to sell a market that you bought it at low, right? So will you sell? Will you sell when the price is at, okay? Let's say the same cement, or let's say a field, particular field, right? So it was, will you sell when it was like you already have the product? Are you going to sell when people are selling it 5,000? Like you bought it for, this is not for example. I'm talking about like normal, you are buying and selling. So you have a product, right? Will you sell it the amount you buy it? No. Or will you sell it more than the amount you buy it? No. Right? So when people are selling cement 5,000, no, you won't sell the amount you buy it. So when it's now high, when it's high in 15,000, that's when you sell. Then you make your profit. So when it comes low again, you won't sell till it comes high again. You sell. When it goes low again, you won't sell. It comes high again, you sell. It's just a normal business man idea. So now, me now, because I'm a businessman, yeah. So I do think the psychology over here. So it's still the same thing. So when do you sell? You sell when the price is high. You sell when the price is high. Then